how to make a how-to video. So I'm going to show you how to screen capture the screen of your laptop and then make a video which can be watched by other people to learn a skill. To start off with, you need a piece of screen capture software. I'm using this one, which is by Cyberlink because I'm familiar with it, but an awful lot of video editing software will give you this facility, and I'll put some links in the description underneath of some free examples. Obviously, I've already started the process because obviously you need to be able to watch this. But basically, there was a record button there, which I pressed to start the recording. I made sure microphone was selected because that means that it will record what I'm saying right now. I've also selected mouse clicks here so that you can actually hear those too. Now, to make a how-to video, basically I'm now recording what I'm doing on the screen. So, say you're going to make a how-to video, how do you calculate the mean number using a spreadsheet? Well, just show how it's done. So I'll open up a spreadsheet here. Here's one I made earlier. Here are the percentage results of an English exam. Calculate the mean score of the class to 2 decimal places. How would you do that on a spreadsheet? Well, you select a destination cell, press equals to show that it's going to be a formula, and you start to type average, and then it will make a suggestion. I double click on average, and the bracket is there. It tells me to prompt me to put in the numbers. I will just select the range I want to get the average from, press return, and there is my average. How do I get it to 2 decimal places? Select the cell, and then use the button that decreases decimal places. Kablamo, and there's my answer, 40.43. So there's my how-to video. I then go back down here, and what I would do, I can't do it now obviously because then you won't be able to follow it, is press stop, and I'll be given the opportunity to save it as a file. You save it, you upload it to Google Classroom, and bingo, your class can watch and learn a skill. Easy as that.